Next heading, combination of two lenses placed coaxially in contact. Combination of lenses placed coaxially in contact. So let two lenses L1 and L2, L1 and L2 having focal length f1 and f2 are placed in contact coaxially. Coaxially means principal axis of both the lenses same. So we have to find effective focal length of these two lenses. Or for lens combination, we have to find effective focal length. So to find effective focal length, we form image of a point object placed at axis. Like a point object O is placed at axis. Now we make image of this. So to make image of any point object, we take two rays from the object, at least two rays from the object. These two rays after reflection meet at a point or appear to diverge from a point. So this point is known as image. Okay. So if they meet ready, then real image is formed. If they appear to diverge, then virtual image is formed. Okay. So take one ray along principal axis. So light ray passing through optical center in thin lens goes straight. Light ray passing through optical center in thin lens goes straight. So light ray coming from O along principal axis goes straight. Okay. Now we take another ray OA. Okay. So this ray incident at point A on the first lens. Now, in absence of first lens, path of the ray is this. In absence of lenses, path of the ray OA. Light ray advances in a straight line. Okay. Light ray advances in a straight line in a homogeneous medium. Okay. So path of the ray is maintained. Path of ray remains this. In absence of these two lenses. But due to presence of lens, their path changes. Convex lens converges the light ray towards principal axis. First convex lens L1 bend their way towards the principal axis. So later first lens A bend the ray in AB direction. In AB direction like this. Okay. So first lens bend the ray in AB direction. है ना AB. If second lens is absent, then first ray has bent OA in the direction. So reflected ray from first lens AB OA after bending along AB meet at I. So I will become image for first lens. Okay. And first lens bend way OA, so O become object for first lens. Okay. So for first lens, this become object distance U, and this become image distance. Let V dash. ठीक है. तो now in this conclusion we have assumed that second lens is absent. So for first lens, apply for first lens from Gaussian form of lens equation for first lens. 1 by f1 is equal to 1 by image distance, that is v dash, minus 1 by object distance, that is minus 1 by u. This is equation number 1. ठीक है. Now second lens. Now before meeting at I1, lens ray AB incident on lens L2. Ray AB incident on lens L2. और second lens again bend the light ray AB toward the principal axis. ठीक है. तो So let after bending from second lens, let AB I1 get direction. So this is the final image formed by two lenses. This is the final image formed by two lenses. So let this distance is B. Let this distance is B. ठीक है. So देखिए second lens bend which ray? Second lens bend ray AB I1. Second lens bend ray coming towards point I1. Second ray bend coming towards point I1. So I1 become object. I1 become object for second lens. ठीक है. And I become image for second lens. I become image for second lens. ठीक है. तो for second lens leave here 4 lines. Okay. For second lens 1 by f2 1 upon focal length for second lens is equal to 1 upon image distance. The image distance is b minus 1 by object distance. Object distance is v dash. Equation number 2. Okay. Now adding equation 1 and 2, combining equation 1 and 2, combining equation 1 and 2, we get 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 is equal to 1 by v dash minus 1 by u plus 1 by v dash, sorry, 1 by v minus 1 by v dash. So minus 1 by v dash plus 1 by v dash cancel. So 1 by f1 or plus 1 by f2 is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So these two lenses, what is work of these two lenses? These two lenses makes image of an object placed at distance u from combination at distance v. These two lenses make image of an object placed at distance u from combination at distance v. So this work can be done by a single lens. This work can be done by a single lens. ठीक है. तो let focal length of that single lens is capital, which work is same as these two lenses. ठीक है. Then this single lens is known as effective lens. This single lens is known as effective lens. ठीक है. तो for effective lens of combination 1 by f is equal to 1 by f. Right, leaves here two lines to give sentence. 1 by f is equal to for effective lens 1 by capital F is equal to 1 by b minus 1 by. This is your equation third. This is your equation third. So comparing equation third and fourth, comparing, ठीक है, equation third and fourth, then 1 by f is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. So thus reciprocal of effective focal length of two lenses is equal to sum of reciprocal of focal length of individual lenses placed in contact coexist. What is the result? Reciprocal of effective focal length, reciprocal of focal length of effective lens is equal to sum of reciprocal of focal length of individual lenses placed in contact coexist. Now we apply case first. Simplify this. 1 by f is equal to you get f1 plus f2 plus f1, take LCM, cross multiplication 1 into f2 or 1 into f1 upon f1 f2. So f is equal to f1 into f2 upon f1 plus f1 plus f2. Now apply case first. If f1 is equal to minus f2, f1 is equal to minus f2. That is focal length of two lenses are same, but one is convex and another is concave. Then f is equal to, in that case, in combination if one lens is convex and one lens is convex, focal length of both are same, then f is equal to f1 into f1 upon f1 minus f1. So f1 into f1 upon 0. So they become infinite. Effective focal length of lens become infinite. Effective focal length of lens become infinite. ठीक है? तो it means lens combination behaves as a glass plate. There is no bending of light. It lens nature destroyed. Lens nature destroyed. ना? ठीक है? तो if two lens having same focal length but opposite in nature are placed in contact, then your lens combination behaves as a glass plate, glass slab. So we have to write this sentence here. Make three sentences here like this. Now case second. If f1 is greater than, f1 is convex and f2 is concave, ठीक है, and f1 is greater than f2, ठीक है, then what happen? Then so if first lens is convex, ठीक है, and second lens is concave, suppose, and f1 is plus 1 plus f1 convex, this is your f2 concave, so minus f2, so f become f1 into minus f2 upon f1 minus f2, so this become f is equal to f1 f2 upon f1 minus f2, so this is your negative, or f2 is less than f1, so also negative है, तो negative into negative become positive, negative into negative become positive, ना, ठीक है, तो if this become positive, your f2 is negative, and f1 is positive, ना, f1 is positive, f2 is less than f1, ना, let's assume that f2 is less than f1, माने f1 is greater than f2 or f2 is greater than f1, ना, तो this term gives positive value, this is a negative, ना, so negative divided by positive get negative, you get negative, ना, ठीक है, so that's effective lens behaves as a concave. Effective focal is negative means effective lens behaves as a concave. Effective lens behaves as a concave. ठीक है, तो to behave effective lens and concave, you have to take lens, convex lens of large focal length and concave lens of small focal length. If small focal length, then power of concave lens will be more than power of convex lens. So your effective lens behaves as a concave. Case third, if you have you have to take as convex lens, effective lens as a convex lens, then power of convex must be greater than power of concave. Right? So to maximize power of convex, take convex lens of small focal length. Right? Take convex lens of small focal length. Right? So F1 is convex and F2 is concave. So this is positive F1, and this is your positive F2. Positive F1, this is your negative F2. Okay. So F1 is less than effective. We have to treat effective lens as a convex. Then take power of convex more than power of concave. That is focal length of convex is less than focal length of concave. Right? Then F is equal to F1 minus F2 upon F1 minus F2. Right? Since F2 is greater than F1, so it will be negative. This is also negative. Right? So negative into negative become positive. That is your effective lens behaves as a convex. Effective lens behaves as a convex. Okay.